Homemade potting soil for succulent plants. Succulents thrive in drought-prone conditions. The fleshy leaves of these plants store water for later use. Agave, sedum and kalanchoe are just a few varieties of succulent plants. Since they require minimal maintenance, these plants grow well in pots, both indoors and out. The standard, moisture-rich potting soils used for other types of plants provide too much moisture for successful succulent growth. Instead, make your own potting soil that meets the needs of the plants so they can thrive. Things you'll need: peat moss, sand, soil, bone meal. Combine 1 part coarse sand with 1 part peat moss. Add 1 part clean garden soil or potting soil, and mix the 3 ingredients together thoroughly. Add ½ cup bone meal to every 12 quarts of soil mixture. Bone meal provides phosphorus, which plants require for healthy growth. Water the soil mixture until it is evenly moist throughout. Allow the excess moisture to drain off for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Grasp a handful of soil and squeeze tightly. Open your hand. If the soil falls apart, it holds moisture correctly for succulents. If the soil clods together, add additional sand to the mixture. Tips. Warnings. Plant succulents in clay pots. Clay dries out more quickly, which works better for succulents.